The constellation known as the North Star has been a guiding light throughout human history to help navigate the world around us and the sky above. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to the final Twilight Show of 7th Fun's Golden Anniversary Airshow. My name is Carl Faucio, and it is my distinct privilege to introduce to you the elite group of pilots and astronauts of the Polaris Squadron. The Polaris program is the first of its kind effort to rapidly advance human spaceflight capabilities and execute demanding pilot training opportunities.